RaZorTop, the ultimate system for the bed of your truck. As the world's first fully automatic raise and lower cap, RaZorTop gives you versatility. Period. Using its patented lift system, you can haul more than ever before. An ultra-low profile provides a sleek and clean look. A sturdy aluminum build offers advanced tamper resistance against unwanted entry in lower position, yet rolls open effortlessly with its quick rear latch system to give you full use of the bed. RaZorTop is designed to maximize stow capacity, leaving you with full wheel well to wheel well loading. At the simple push of a button from your wireless remote, RaZorTop fully extends to give you the most covered space possible. In the extended position, your valuables are protected from the elements by WeatherMax, a highly water-resistant material that offers strength and durability. RaZorTop can also cinch down on any items that extend past your truck bed to keep your cargo secure. Need to raise or lower your cap quickly? That's easy. RaZorTop achieves this in less than a minute to get you on the road fast. The capabilities of RaZorTop are endless. Whether it's for trade work, hauling, or camping, whatever you need, it's not a problem. RaZorTop comes installed with an LED lighting kit, giving you plenty of light in any situation. There's also a sky screen that opens up your bed for full ventilation or for some nighttime stargazing. Proudly made in the USA, RaZorTop is a forerunner in the industry and stands alone.